Hey guys, just got done using this Big Red Jacks by Torin. This is the 2-ton edition, and just used it to jack up my car. I do have a heavier car, so the only thing I would say about this one is if you have a heavier car, then you really need to be careful whenever you're lowering the car. There's this little turn thing right here, and this tool goes on here. When it's all the way to the right, that means that you can jack it up. So as I'll show you guys, you can see it's going up, and then when all this weight is on the car, it's pretty hard if it's heavy to just turn it slowly. So the car kind of drops pretty fast. So that's one thing to look out for, but I am kind of pushing the 2-ton limit with my vehicle. But overall, straight out the box, this is super small, but I was impressed with how much weight it could actually lift. So if you're looking for a car jack just to keep in your garage and you have a smaller vehicle like a Toyota Camry or Corolla or smaller little vehicles like that, then I would recommend checking out the Big Red Jacks 2-ton edition.